ready to unleash the ultimate two-way threat in college football 25. We're breaking down how to recreate the one and only Travis Hunter. First, navigate to the Create Player mode, usually found in the main menu or team management section. Select cornerback as the primary position. This will allow us to simulate the two-way capabilities of Travis Hunter. Now, it's time to accurately input Travis Hunter's information. First name Travis, last name Hunter, and his jersey number. Remember to use 12. Let's match his physical build. Travis Hunter is listed at 6'1" and around 185 pounds. Select an athletic body type that reflects his build. Slight adjustments might be needed, as the game may not be exact. Here's where we replicate his unique skills. Max out his key attributes: speed, agility, catching and coverage skills. Increase his awareness for both offense and defense so he can read the play. A high stamina rating will also be crucial to simulate his two-way abilities. Now for his appearance, give Travis Hunter his signature look. Select his hairstyle, skin tone, and equip him with the accessories he wears during the games. Don't forget to add the wristbands. Finally, test your created Travis Hunter in a practice mode to ensure his attributes and skills translate into gameplay. Adjust as necessary, and get ready to dominate on both sides of the ball.